Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add multiple Google accounts on your Android device. Now guys, because you are free to add more than one Google account on any device that you have, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple of them. Now the first thing is to go to your settings. You want to scroll over to where you see accounts and backup. Now tap on accounts and backup, and then you're going to be tapping on manage accounts, and then over here you see all my accounts, but I'm going to be scrolling to the bottom where you have to see add accounts. Because we are adding a Google account, you're going to be tapping on Google. So you just want to tap and type in the email address you would like to add. You want to click on next. It's going to be asking you for your password. You want to click on next. If you would like to add a phone number, I'm just going to skip all this. They are not really necessary. You want to agree to their terms and conditions before you can move ahead. This is how you can actually add multiple Google accounts on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.